If you're looking to update PHP 7.4 in Namecheap, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Updating PHP can help keep your website running smoothly, improve compatibility with plugins and themes, and make sure your hosting environment stays up to date. And just a quick reminder before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy web hosting guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log in to your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to your hosting list. This is where you'll see the hosting plan connected to your website. Find the correct domain or hosting account, and then open CPanel for that hosting package. CPanel is where Namecheap gives you access to the main server settings and website tools. After CPanel opens, scroll down until you find the section called Exclusive for Namecheap customers. This section contains tools that Namecheap provides specifically for their hosting users. In some accounts, the option you need may appear under Software instead, so if you don't see it right away, take a quick look there as well. Now click Select PHP version. This is the tool you'll use to change the PHP version for your website. When the page loads, look at the top of the screen and find Current PHP version. This shows you what version is active right now, so you can confirm whether your site is still on an older version before changing it. Next, open the drop-down menu and select PHP 7.4. Make sure you choose the correct version before applying the change. Once you've selected it, click Apply. This tells Namecheap to update your hosting environment to PHP 7.4. After that, give it a few moments to take effect. In most cases, the change happens quickly, but it's always best to wait until the server fully updates. Once the update is complete, visit your website and test a few pages to make sure everything is working properly. Check your home page, contact page, forms, and any important features you use regularly. If anything looks broken, you may need to clear your cache or check whether a plugin or theme needs an update for compatibility. PHP changes can sometimes affect older scripts, so it's always smart to test your site after making the switch. And that's it! You've now updated PHP 7.4 in Namecheap. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in keeping your website running reliably. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more website management tips, hosting tutorials, and step-by-step tech guides.